Pop! OS isn't the best beginner Linux distro. And that's okay. Let me explain why that headline isn't a dunk, it's a shortcut to picking the right distro for you. If you've heard just install Pop! OS, I get it. It's polished, great on NVIDIA laptops and the installer is smooth. But, best for beginners? That depends on what you actually need on day one. Here's the curveball, Pop! OS is built for people who want to grow into power user features fast. Cosmic tiling, clever workflow tweaks, rolling in more modern packages. Awesome if you're curious, but if you're switching from Windows and just want everything familiar and quiet, Pop can feel like it's nudging you toward Learn Linux homework. 3 quick reasons. It might not be the friendliest first stop. Workflow. Cosmic tiling and keyboard-first vibes are efficient. Not everyone wants that on day one. Package choices. Pop leans on Flatpak out of the box. That's convenient, but it can mean bigger apps, duplicate settings, and confusion about where software lives. Moving parts. Pop is evolving fast. New Cosmic built-in Rust, fresh kernels, their own repos. Awesome for tinkerers. New folks usually want boring and stable, so what should a beginner actually install? Linux Mint. If you want Windows but calm, Mint is the go-to. Cinnamon desktop, codecs built in, dead simple updates, and huge community help. Ubuntu LTS, big ecosystem, tons of tutorials, and reliable 5-year support. Fedora Workstation, stock GNOME, super clean, very up-to-date but still stable. Zorin OS, familiar look, curated features, minimal friction. If your laptop has an NVIDIA GPU, or you love the idea of tiling Windows, Pop! OS still rocks. It's not bad for beginners, it's just not the default one-size-fits-all answer. Here's the decision cheat sheet. You want zero surprises? Mint. You want massive community support? Ubuntu LTS. You want modern Linux with clean defaults? Fedora. You want gaming and NVIDIA convenience plus room to grow? Pop! OS. Before you install, ask 3 questions. Do I need the most help? Do I need the newest features? Do I want a familiar desktop? Your answers pick your distro. Pop! OS is an excellent choice, just not the automatic first choice for everyone.